What is going on, everybody? It's Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Now, it's been a couple of weeks since I've uploaded a garage sale video on this channel. You know, right before vacation I got rained out, and then last weekend we were traveling home. We didn't make it home until Monday, so we didn't really stop and do any garage sales. This has been the first weekend I've got to go out in a couple of weekends. I had a bust on a couple of community sales that were listed online as community sales, but there were like one or two. I did find some other yard sales in a couple towns, and then I wound up finding an indoor yard sale, which really wound up being, I think it was an antique mall, and that was shut down. I'm not really sure. When you'll see me go through it at the very end. I do find some interesting stuff. Probably some of the better stuff was there. But stick around to the very end, you'll see that. Like I said, it's sort of an indoor yard sale. It's sort of like a private pick of maybe a defunct antique mall that I didn't even know existed. But yeah, stick around to the end of this video and check this one out.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, and you?
We're doing really good.
I'm just kind of looking.
Is there anybody you're shopping for?
Nobody in particular, just looking. Thank you though.
Yeah. Is there anything in particular you're looking for?
$1 million? Huh? Can you help me out there? I wish you could.
I wish I could. Would you like to buy that first? Would you like to buy that first?
Yeah, he's got
Yep.
it. You have to wait till the gentleman's finished. My sales manager's really.
Yeah. Was there 3 of these originally and one broke, or was there just 2, or you're not
just the
sure?
2.
Okay, cool. Right. Well, I think that's what I'm getting anyway. So what is this, $4 and $3?
So what does that equal, Ava? What does the gentleman owe?
So this is $4 and that's 3, so $7.
Okay.
Alrighty.
I'll give you change.
Over here, sweetheart. Okay, so how much change do you owe him? You need a bag, sir? You
No,
need a bag?
no, that's okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much, sir.
Have a nice day.
You too. How much are your cookies?
How much are the cookies?
Yep.
They're 50 cents.
Okay. Well, I will take 2.
You want to take 2 cookies?
Sure. Alrighty. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Do you want them in a bag?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Back time!
He's been good though, very, very good. Don't knock that over. Yeah, he's I'm hungry. I saw. He passed it to me for cleaning accident. $40 for that, brand new. Never used, never played.
It's cool. What?
Beautiful.
What's up with the old gun thing over there?
Master.
Oh, is that yours? So what would that be worth?
Some of them can have batteries in them.
I would want 55 for it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's in nice shape.
Want an apple?
And it's not just molded,
I
like
can
it
give you
actually, it's
apple.
got a mechanism that works.
Yeah, it looks like it's. Yeah, I wasn't sure. Yeah.
So yeah, it looks like an actual flip.
Tell you what to do.
Okay. Makes sense. I have an antique booth, which is where I'd put it, but that's probably what I'd sell it for. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool though. All right, so I wanted to jump in for a minute because this is a negotiation tactic that I use often. I'll just say, hey, I sell in an antique booth, or I sell online, or whatever. You know, if they really want to make a sale, that's when somebody will be like, oh, okay, what about half price? So we want a 55. You know, I was hoping it'd be like, well, what about 30? I don't know anything about this gun. When I kind of looked it up quick, I see one similar to this, but I don't know anything about it. Listed for about $120 US. You know, I wouldn't be comfortable selling this online for that, and it's a replica. I probably would have took it to my booth and tried to sell for 50 or 60, and that might have been a stretch. I just wanted to point that out because I do think it's worth sometimes just telling people what you're doing, and you know, you can get deals. In this case, it didn't work. I do wind up buying something at this sale, so let's get back to it. Not every day you see Croc boots.
No, and they're nice. They're hot commodity. Give me this. Give me 5 for it.
Oh yeah, for sure. That's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Might even have a 5 in here. Might make it easier.
You better give me a 5 if you have one.
Oh, I don't. I must have got rid of it yesterday.
You don't care about the loony and the toony? But I care about them.
Why you want more change? The original
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate
Not a
it.
problem.
Morning. Well, there you go, eh? Uh-oh. Gets stuck, does it, or what happened?
Yeah, sometimes it gets sticky.
Yeah. $5 for that thing? Yeah. Oh, I see. It's a piggy bank, actually, right?
Yeah. Actually, it does save some coins and every now and again it will slip.
Really?
Yep.
Huh. It's pretty neat. Probably grab that anyway for $5. Why not? See what you got here. You're hiding some stickers on yourself.
Oh, jeez. They get everywhere.
Yeah. Let's see here. Somebody just gave me back change. I think I got. I'll make it easier for you if I can. Oh, there it is. 5, right?
Right.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Thank you. See if I can win some of my own money back.
Yeah. You got to put it in first.
Yeah, yeah. Thanks.
Sierra.
How you doing? Hey, buddy.
Sierra. Sierra.
I find these hats over here, they're $1 a piece. This Playboy one, I see one listed on Poshmark very similar for $80. I can't find a sold one on eBay. You know, Daytona 500 hat for $1, that's an easy pickup. This Bix Pickles hat, there's a couple factories around this area, so I imagine it was probably from one of those factories. Yeah, other than that, I get lined up here. I don't get my camera in the right position, but I'm gonna look at a VCR. I think it's an RCA. You'll see it better in a minute, but you know, the music was very loud in the store, which is why I'm probably going to do a few voiceovers. How much is your VCR here?
Just make it off. So,
Like $10 be okay?
all right.
Yeah?
I'll just sit it up on the counter over here.
Alrighty.
All clothing or installer.
Okay. Mostly mall brand stuff here. I wound up picking up a pair of American Eagles for my wife, and then I think these are a pair of Levi's 720s, I believe. Not worth a ton of money, but I'll go ahead and sell those probably on Poshmark or eBay for around $20. Is the price of this one right on? Is that $18?
No,
Oh, okay, I was gonna say.
no, that was probably from when the antique market was open.
Okay. Do you know what you'd want for that?
Make us an offer.
Okay. Oh.
Gotta go, so.
Yeah, I got you. I guess maybe I missed what you said.
Oh, no, this stuff was supposed to be here on Wednesday.
Oh,
And they were here the last night.
I gotcha.
Scrambling, trying to get stuff out.
All right, so I think I got what I want anyway. Ken Griffey, yeah. Looks like got a little bit of, someone's played with it, but I mean, it's still in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Hey, Mars, how much for the guitar?
Oh, I don't know.
$5 be okay?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
15.
And then these ones come out of the back corner?
These came in the back room.
Okay, those are just so we keep an eye on George's stuff.
Those two things are yours? That car, that transport truck?
I think so. Yeah, you get where I said.
Yep, that was in the back corner. Both of these were.
And then those, I think the rest of all that stuff is yours.
So these two, what do you want to sell those two for?
Are they worth $5 a piece? No.
Sure. Yep.
Let's say $30 for all of it.
Yep. Could do that.
Did you see? Okay, there's a bag of shells.
Yeah.
I had good intentions, but
I was looking at your paper cutting thing up there.
yeah. We had like 4 of them,
Yep.
but that's the last one, so we're probably going to keep it for a bit.
You're gonna keep it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All in all, a pretty good day yard selling. I think the big surprise for me was the big comfy couch, half plush, half doll. Those things, I do see some that have sold for closer to $100, but those ones I think are like maybe 96, a little older. Mine's 97. I haven't tried to clean it up yet. Mine's sort of a little dirty in the face. I think I'll get 50 or 60 bucks for it still. I think that's pretty cool, actually. Guitar Hero guitar, the Aerosmith one, you know, those are a no-brainer always. There was probably lots more stuff in that indoor yard sale or whatever that sort of pick was. You know, I could have went back. There was all kinds of like probably antique booth type stuff, right? Like I'm trying to think back. Like I know there were some like ducks that were like hand carved, but they were stamped, that I don't know a whole lot about those, but I know they do sell well. All kinds of glassware, those type of things. You know, I'm still in a transition where I don't want a whole bunch of stuff just to be sitting around just because I'm not done. I'm looking at it right now. The shed's right in front of me. As soon as that's done, I probably will pick up more little things like tchotchke items for the booth that maybe could just sit around longer, because I can't just buy all this stuff and take it to my booth. It's only so big. So that's sort of limits on what I'm going to pick up. Other than that, it mostly has to be like stuff that I'm going to sell on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, things like that. But once I have a little bit more room, I can sort of start to stockpile more and more, because right now I'm just sort of stuffing things in the spare room, stockpiling, you know, I'm squirreling things away, but I really need the space. So tomorrow morning, which is going to be Sunday, I'm going to work on hopefully finishing the other wall and the back wall, and I'll be a little bit closer anyway to having the shed done and be able to actually use it. That'll be exciting. But for now, guys, if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content, and we'll see you soon.